Just last week, Democratic candidate for governor Dan Feltes backed a litmus test for judicial nominees in New Hampshire, saying if he's elected, he would require anyone who wants to be a judge to declare their intent to protect legal access to abortion.
For me, that's a baseline question. Are you pro-choice? And are you going to affirm reproductive health care rights?
When pressed on the implications of forcing a judicial nominee to go on record regarding an issue on which they might have to make a ruling, one Democratic lawmaker scolded reporters for asking the question.
To just look for a soundbite, I think, does not honor the complexity of the issue.
Turns out the complexity of the issue could be a serious hurdle to Feltes' litmus test plan. Rule 38 of the state Supreme Court Code of Judicial Conduct states, Section 4.2a prohibits a candidate for judicial office from making statements that commit the candidate regarding cases, controversies, or issues likely to come before the court. A viewer brought up the rule in a Facebook Live interactive interview Wednesday afternoon, asking how Feltes plans to get any answers from a nominee on abortion.
So how do you plan to ask that question and get around this code of conduct?
It's pretty simple, Adam. I mean, it's just like, are you pro-freedom of speech? Well, are you pro-choice? And it's not asking a judicial nominee or potential nominee to weigh in a potential case.
Several attorneys who spoke to News 9 said violating the code could potentially lead to disbarment or impeachment of a judge. Asked for comment, Governor Chris Sununu issued a statement saying, quote, "As governor, I have nominated both Democrats and Republicans for judicial appointments and have never asked for a litmus test on any issue. Judicial independence is paramount." Former New Hampshire Supreme Court Chief Justice Robert Lynn, now running for state rep as a Republican, also weighed in, saying, quote, "Unless Senator Feltes expects his judicial nominees to violate the code or unless he intends to ask the Supreme Court to repeal these rules or ask the legislature to enact a statute overruling them, it is hard to see how he will get the commitments he desires." Adam Sexton, WMUR, News 9.